How to connect Gemini to Canva. Let's get started. First, open Gemini in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Next, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then click Settings. From the Settings menu, select Personal Intelligence. Now click Connected Apps. Here you'll see all the apps that can work with Gemini. Scroll down until you find Canva under the Other section. To start connecting Canva, turn on the Canva toggle. A confirmation window will appear, explaining what Gemini can access, such as creating designs, searching your Canva content, and using Canva to complete your requests. Click Connect to continue. On the next screen, Google will ask if you want to link your Google account with Canva. Click Continue. You'll now see another page explaining how your Google account and Canva will work together. If you'd like, you can expand each section to review what information is shared and how the connection works. Once you've finished reading, scroll to the bottom and click Agree and Continue. Now, a Canva permission window will appear. Here, Canva shows the permissions Gemini needs, such as creating designs, accessing your Canva files, and helping you manage your content. Review the permissions, then scroll down and click Allow. Wait a few seconds while Gemini completes the connection. Once the setup finishes, you'll see the Canva window with an Unlink button. This confirms that your Canva account has been successfully connected to Gemini. Now you can start using Canva directly from Gemini. For example, open a new chat and type @Canva, create a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools. Or you can ask, @Canva, create an Instagram post for my business. Gemini will generate the design in Canva, and you can open it to make any final edits. If you ever want to disconnect Canva, simply go back to Settings, open Personal Intelligence, select Connected Apps, find Canva, and turn off the toggle or click Unlink. And that's it. You've successfully connected Canva to Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.